Ethereum value equivalent to $2,469.62 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $2,462.08, $2,490.05. The earlier day close: $2,490.05. The change was 20.43, 0.82%. Converse rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum gauge for April 2024. To start with, cost at $25.07. Exorbitant cost $30.29, while low cost $25.07. The normal for the month $2,719. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,831, change for April 12.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $28.31. Exorbitant cost $32.91, while low cost $28.31. The normal for the month $3,007. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,076, change for May 8.7%. Ethereum figure for June 2024. Initially cost at $30.76. Excessive cost $33.42, while low cost $29.04. The normal for the month $3,111. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,123, change for June 1.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $31.23. Exorbitant cost $34.37, while low cost $29.87. The normal for the month $3,190. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,212, change for July 2.8%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at $32.12. Exorbitant cost $34.71, while low cost $30.17. The normal for the month $3,236. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,244, change for August 1.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at $32.44. Excessive cost $35.81, while low cost $31.13. The normal for the month $3,321. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,347, change for September 3.2%. Ethereum figure for October 2024. Initially cost at $33.47. Excessive cost $35.88, while low cost $31.18. The normal for the month $3,352. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,353, change for October 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at $33.53. Exorbitant cost $36.83, while low cost $32.01. The normal for the month $3,420. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,442, change for November 2.7%. Ethereum estimate for December 2024. First and foremost cost at $34.42. Exorbitant cost $41.90, while low cost $34.42. The normal for the month $3,748. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,916, change for December 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at $39.16. Exorbitant cost $42.38, while low cost $36.84. The normal for the month $3,950. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,961, change for January 1.1%. Ethereum figure for February 2025. Initially cost at $39.61. Excessive cost $49.17, while low cost $39.61. The normal for the month $4,359. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,595, change for February 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for WALK 2025. At the outset cost at $45.95. Excessive cost $5,009, while low cost $43.53. The normal for the month $4,660. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,681, change for spring 1.9%. Ethereum conjecture for April 2025. Before all else cost at $46.81. Excessive cost $52.09, while low cost $45.27. The normal for the month $4,821. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,868, change for April 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at $48.68. Exorbitant cost $60.42, while low cost $48.68. The normal for the month $5,356. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $5,647, change for May 16.0%. Ethereum figure for June 2025. Initially cost at $56.47. Excessive cost $56.47, while low cost $44.89. The normal for the month $5,153. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,827, change for June 14.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at $48.27. Excessive cost $48.27, while low cost $41.53. The normal for the month $4,568. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,466, change for July 7.5%. Ethereum estimate for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $44.66. Exorbitant cost $55.44, while low cost $44.66. The normal for the month $4,914. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $5,181, change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place cost at $51.81. Exorbitant cost $51.81, while low cost $40.47. The normal for the month $4,690. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,352, change for September 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for October 2025. At the outset cost at $43.52. Excessive cost $43.52, while low cost $3,400. The normal for the month $3,940. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,656, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $36.56. Exorbitant cost $36.56, while low cost $28.56. The normal for the month $3,310. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,071, change for November 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at $30.71. Excessive cost $36.63, while low cost $30.71. The normal for the month $3,307. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,423, change for December 11.5%. Ethereum cost expectation